everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the overview of all the pages and everything that I have left over for the month of September. This was a great kit to work with, and I did some things quite differently this month. I'll show you that in just a minute, but I wanted to show you all the pages I created. There's videos for all of them. This is the first one that I did that's called Comfy. And this is the second one. It's called Fluff. It's a mystery why it's called Fluff. Those are guinea pigs. They're not fluffy. But I got to use that rainbow paper. So I used it here for the first one, and here for the second one. The third one, I was able to use little bitty strips of the rainbow paper. This was the third page that I created. I was able to still pull some of the fall leaves out here. It doesn't really have a fall look to it per se. I love the flowers that I cut out and glued. I love that color. It's so, so pretty. This is the last one. So I told you that I was going to trim off the black, which I did, as you can see, and I ended up putting a brown as the bottom layer. So this actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of paper, at least right here. That's unusual for me. I usually don't use that much, but I did say that I was going to do quite a bit of layering for the month of September. And I was trying to use up as much of the papers as I could. Now let me show you the paper that I have left over. You're going to be shocked. You're going to be totally shocked. This is all I have. I did throw some of the thin strips away already. That's it. That is it. You know why? Because I made cards. And I know I was whining in a video not that long ago how I used to be a card maker and then I don't ever use them. It's true, I don't. But my daughter, she's always asking for cards, so I am making these for her. So let me show you the cards real quick. So I was able to use everything. The only thing that I pulled differently was, there were two things that I pulled. It was the Jen Hatfield, there were these stickers, and then these words. Let's see, that is called the DIY shop. Can you see it? Of course I got it Tuesday morning, and I used a lot of those. So this was number one, and a lot of sequins, of course. And then this was the second one, using a lot of the peacock paper, lots of layers, lots of sequins. I don't know if you can see the gold. And then this one, I think this one turned out beautiful. This does have foam. Oop. Oh. Huh. You know, sometimes, let me just say this, sometimes sequins end up being stacked on top of one another. And I didn't even know that until that fell off. I gotta watch that. Anyway, this, I love the way this one turned out. The colors are just beautiful. Oh, and I didn't say, and I should, I got these card sketch ideas from Mojo Monday off of Pinterest. And she has the... Well, you know what? Just go on Pinterest and search Mojo Monday. When I was a card maker, that's one of the main places where I would do card challenges, was there, and she had a new sketch every Monday, and I loved it, and I still do. And in her sketches, she gives dimensions on how to cut everything for a card. She makes it so easy, super, super easy. So that is definitely a Mojo Monday. This one is as well. Using all the scrap sequins, the gold foil words. This one was also a sketch from her. Still using my scraps. And then this one, remember I had this one piece that was a little bit brighter than the others? Well, what I had left over, I ended up putting in the trash, but it's okay. Look at the hearts I was able to use. And if you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, you know that this gold scallop tape is absolutely one of my favorites. And I have about this much left now. I've been hoarding it. So I am trying to use my things up. And then this was another one. This was number 6. This one turned out super, super cute. I really like that. And I think doing lots of layers is key to having pretty cards. All of mine are blank on the inside. I do that on purpose. This was the last one. This one was the hardest one for me because I was like scraping the bottom of the barrel trying to get all the stuff used up. So the washi tape I did pull, and then this smile I also pulled out. But I needed something big like that to put on this one. And that is 7 cards. I still have, you know, a bunch of leaves. It's okay, because I said I was going to use them for this season. I have all next month. I don't know if I'll be able to scrap any more than I did this month. And let's see, what else do I have? Oh, my embellishments. So I was able to use a lot of those in my for my cards. But yeah, I really don't have a lot left over. At least all the butterflies, the moths, I used all of those. I still have quite a few hearts. I still have a couple of these big, like, journal spots. I'll throw that away. Yeah, so I was able to use so much. I think I have one flower here. Yep. Yeah, isn't it amazing? I am impressed with myself, how well I did. I just wanted to make sure I was using everything up. And I know that the cards will go to a good cause. So yeah, thanks guys for joining me this month and even today. And next month, October, I'm so excited. I'm not quite sure today. As I'm filming this, I'm not sure what the inspiration piece is going to look like, but hopefully it will be something fall. If not, I'm still doing fall. I already know that. So anyway, I appreciate all you guys, all the thumbs up, all of the comments. You guys are so sweet. I really do appreciate it. Okay, make sure you check out the other ladies. I think everybody does a recap for the month, so yeah, and make sure you go over to the Facebook challenge group, and you have until the end of the month to put your entries in to get your name in the hat for a prize. All right, I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.